Hello everyone, I'm Batyr, founder of UMINERS, and now we're in Hong Kong, and I would like to share information about our order from Bitdeer of A2 miners that we was ordered. It's around 4,000 units, and I want to share my experience with these models. The features of patented design with a well-shaped air intake, which significantly optimize the airflow inter-angel. Additionally, it is equipped with the silicone dust-proof pads on the intake surface to prevent dust and moisture from entering the components areas. This is not only extends the lifespan, but also reduce maintenance costs. Its temperature adaptability is also outstanding. While the official data states an extreme limit of -20°, our mining farms running even less, around -30°. Bitdeer hasn't been in the market for very long, but it has quickly gained recognition. I believe it will carve out its own position and become a competitive brand in this industry. In the current market situation, choosing the right machine is critical, but choosing the right supplier is even more important. UMINERS has been in this industry for 8 years. We don't just sell equipment, we provide one-stop mining solution. Feel free to contact us for any needs. Thank you.